I just draw, and the pattern of the question is very different than the previous one. Okay, in this case there is one benzene ring, then CH2N2 molecule is given, and on the arrow HNu and KMnO4 is given, and the question pattern is that whatever the product is formed, whether it is aromatic or anti-aromatic or whatever the nature of that incoming product. So friend, before going to find out the nature of that product, we should solve the reaction. Okay, so it is a azomethane group, and look toward this, it is an HNu. HNu is nothing but the photolytic reaction. Okay, in presence of the light, the reaction is take place, and therefore what happens? Then such a type of the structure is formed when azomethane group is react in presence of HNu with benzene, and what happened? The electrophilic ring opening have been take place, and the 6-membered ring is converted into the 7-membered ring. Okay. The 6-membered ring is converted into the 7-membered ring in this way. But friend, what happened? There is the oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent, and this strong oxidizing agent is oxidize the above molecule. Oxidize the above molecule and to form the tropalone. Okay, and for the stability, this 2 hydrogen atom is removed, and we will get the structure of this molecule is like this, tropanone. This is the formation of this molecule, tropanone. Okay, and now we decided whether this molecule is stable or not. Of course, as per the charge separation, negative charge is come to on this carbon, oxygen, and positive charge come to this carbon, and therefore this propanone molecule followed the 6 pi electron system, and therefore this molecule is aromatic in nature. Hope you understand this one. Now we goes toward our second example, that is the cyclooctatriene molecule. Friends, there is one question. Why this cyclooctatetraene molecule can form the tub shape, okay, instead of this one? So there is some reasons behind that. The tub shape molecule having a less steric hindrance, and therefore the stability of this molecule or this geometry is more than this one, and therefore this molecule is converted into the tub shaped one. The number of times this question has been asked on this molecule is, suppose this molecule is substituted with the methyl or hydrogen atom and so on. So can dianion molecule, suppose the cyclooctatriene is converted into the dication or dianion molecule, can it stable? Of course it may be stable. Suppose it convert into the dicationic molecule, means what? The double bond is, one double bond is removed, therefore the system is 6 pi electron system, and therefore it is the aromatic. And suppose this molecule is converted into the dianion system. Okay, dianion system. The same thing. The sorry. The same thing is that the 8 electron and 2 excess 2 and 2 12 electron is present, and therefore what happened? The system is again aromatic in nature, and therefore number of times such a question have been asked, that is whether the diacationic molecule and dianionic molecule of the cyclooctatetraene is more stable than the previous one, due to this reason, because the pi electron system is followed the Huckel's rule. Now friends, we are goes toward the next example, that is the cycloheptylene bromide cation. Okay, in this case what happened, it is a cation and here is the bromine, means what, the positive charge is present over here, means there is no any hydrogen atom, and on the arrow for the hydrolysis process HOH is given, and therefore the hydroxyl molecule or nucleophile is attacked on this, and we will be get this one. Okay, but stability of this two nucleophile attached to the same carbon atom is very low, and therefore what happened, the inner rearrangement have been take place, and therefore the HBr is easily removed and we will be get the tropanone molecule. And when we separate the charge, we will be get the negative charge on the oxygen, positive charge on the carbon, and the system follows the 6 pi electron, and therefore it is the aromatic in nature. Now this is also another example. In this example, sodium carbonate is given in presence of HOS, and friends, same thing, this is the cationic molecule and the nucleophile is attacked to the electron deficient site. Okay, and this molecule is strong, and therefore the incoming product is aromatic in nature. Hope you understand all the examples. If you have any query, you ask me. In our next video, we will be discuss about the azulines molecules and what is their different criteria and different rules for the azulines. Thank you very much.